Hi, and welcome to Edible Gardening in the Bay Area. Here I'll take you on my journey of growing fresh food and creating yard-to-table recipes. Let's dig in and grow together. In this short episode, I'll share some tips and tricks on growing Moringa seeds indoors. Watch my recent video on how I categorize and save seeds for long term. I'm going to start seeds of Moringa today, and today is March 7th. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try a few different varieties. The ones I've chosen this year are PKM1, the Dwarf Moringa from Baker's Creek, and the ODC3. So I'm going to try all of these, and then there's some unknown variety here that I had ordered several years back. I'm going to give this a shot as well. So I'm going to show you how to help this germinate faster. The seed is inside this little pod, and this pod is brittle yet tough. So it's going to take a long time for the water to penetrate. So what I would do is I clip one of the edges, usually at the top side, and try not to damage the inside seed. Just get to the exterior of it, just make small little cuts and you'll hear it pop, and that's about it. So well, this is even a better one. So let me just open this and show you what the seed looks like inside. So that's what it looks like. Next step after clipping the seeds is to take 4 different cups or how many ever varieties of seeds you have, and add a little bit of warm water to each of those and put the seeds in them and allow it to soak for 24 hours is good. I've experimented with 24 and less, and both of them seem to work. Not a problem. Name the varieties using some painter's tape and Sharpie, because when I move it to the paper towel and plastic bag, I don't want to mix up the seeds. The next step would be to transfer the pre-soaked seeds into a damp paper towel, and soon you'll start seeing sprouts, typically within a day or 2. There are 2 benefits to starting this way. One is you can check the germination rate of the seeds. The second is the germination is way faster than you would if you were to start the seeds directly in the soil. And now they are ready to be transferred into a potting soil medium. If you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and share to the channel for more such helpful content. See you in the next one.